Hi there, it's Dawn here, and I'm shooting this quick video to make sure you know exactly where to get the HTML code that I need in order to create your lead capture page. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that in this drop-down list you've grabbed the right list name. So whichever list you want to build with this lead capture page, make sure that it's in this drop down with the current list. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is click on web forms. I'm already in the right area and you can see I've already created a web form, but chances are that you haven't done that yet. So what you want to do is click on create a new web form. From here it really doesn't matter which one you choose, but I'm going to recommend you click on popular and then grab this basic form. And the reason for that is that there's just no additional code associated with it. It's just very basic coding. And you want to say load template. I just delete these little bits of information and the footer. All you really need here is the name and email, and for most people we're not even really collecting the name, depending on why you're building the list or how you're building your list. I don't collect the name field, and so you can leave it there, but what you want to do is click on it and make sure that you have required checked off. And that's going to allow people to enter onto your list without entering their name. You can leave the field there, like I said, but just make sure that it's not required, and then just click on save. Next, you want to save your web form. Now you want to go to step 2. On this page, you want to just name this something that is meaningful to you. So in this case, let's call it lead capture page. And that's going to allow you to track where your leads are coming from, so you'll know which capture page the lead actually popped in from, so you can track it a little bit better. Here you want to make sure that you put this to a custom page, and you want to enter the URL where you want people to be redirected to immediately afterwards. So what you really want to stay away from doing is telling them to go and well, let's just see what that looks like. Thanks for subscribing, right? We don't want to do that to them. What we want to do is send them to the page. If you've told them that you're giving them a free video, if you're told them you're going to give them an ebook, you want to make sure that you deliver that on this page. Okay, this is where they're going to be redirected to right away. So I'm just going to put my website in here for now, and I'm not going to click on that because I want them to actually be taken to the next page, the next window. On the already subscribed page, I'm going to recommend that you put the exact same thing. Use a custom page and use the same URL, because if a person is already subscribed and they're still trying to get what you're offering, that's a good thing, and you want to make sure that you deliver on that to them too. Next, you want to click on Save Web Form. Now this is the easy part. You want to click on step 3, click on I will install my form, and then you want to click on Raw HTML version. And this right here is the code that you need. Now if you already had a form that you wanted to use, I'm going to show you where you can find this code for that form. You can just click on Web Forms, and you can see now I've created this one, lead capture page, the one that we just created. It has no displays, no submissions, and I would recommend a new one if you've already got some displays and submissions into the one that you already have, just for tracking purposes. But all you need to do is click on this Publish button, and it's going to bring you to the same page where you just need to click on Raw HTML version, click into the box, right click, copy, and that's exactly what you need to send to me in the form. So I hope this makes it really, really simple and clear for you, but of course if you have any questions at all, email me at dawn@dawnmars.com. That's DAWN at dawnmars with 2 R's.com. And I will look forward to speaking with you and look forward to sending you your brand new beautiful lead capture page. I'll talk to you soon.